All right, so we have the Earwax Removal Tool, and I am just going to figure out how to set it up ourselves. So we're going to download the Sear app, S-U-E-A-R app. We're going to make that happen right now, and I am madly curious as to this. So you're going to pull out your phone. Hopefully it's an iPhone. We're going to do a little scan and open. It's going to be opening up here. Let's see if we can get to download it. Come on, internet, kick in, where it's going to be an 18-minute video, and that's okay. Let's see what we're working with. All right, Wi-Fi is coming back. My Wi-Fi was down, and that's okay. Let's make sure we get to this. All right, so it's going to open up, and it's going to tell you have iOS or App Store. I don't know if you can see that. So iOS or App Store, Google, Android, or Google Play. So you're going to click it. It's going to open up the App Store right here. You're going to click Get. So there's a ton of different ratings on it. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to download it. Just like so. Okay, it's going to connection steps. So once this gets downloaded, we're going to connect. So long press the switch key to open the device. After 5 seconds, then step into operation. Okay, open the Sear app. Click connect on the icon. So we got the app open here. We're going to hit allow. Okay, next. Go to connect. So click connect to enter your mobile phone settings display. You're going to go to Sear and hit connect. Okay, so boom. And we're going to go to Wi-Fi. We're going to find it. Give me 1 second. Boom. I always like to turn mine off and on so we can see other networks that pop up. Always takes a second. That's okay. And we're going to make it happen. All right. So once you get this turned on here, that is the key that I was missing. You're going to click the Sear aspect. It's going to pop in on the Wi-Fi, which is super important. We're going to come over here, and obviously it is connected. Okay. So access camera. Please rotate and tighten the spoon clockwise before use. So want to make sure this is tightened on, which is super important. So we are tight right on there. We're going to hit next. Please push down on the silicone tip. So that is all the way on. We're going to hit next. Please check whether the ear scoop head has damaged or replace it, and hit OK. Now, that is super cool. So you can see, oh my goodness. I don't think I should be doing this. This is wild. All right, so we're going to see, I can see inside my ear. Holy guacamole. Oh my goodness. That is absolutely wild, seeing inside the ear with this little guy. Now, obviously, just following the directions, being able to run through it, so this camera will allow me to see inside my ear. That is the coolest thing I have seen. Beth, you got to come see this.
You looking in your ear?
I'm looking in my ear, and it's quite difficult as I am on the camera doing it at the same time, recording a camera with a camera. All right, here we go. You're going to go from that side. Oh. Now be gentle. I want you to kind of like, no, you're not sticking. Don't really stick it in, but you can kind of see. We're going to go real. Oh my goodness, that is creepy. Look at all that earwax. Look at all that earwax. Like, you don't need to go further than that. We're good. Okay. Oh. All right, that is creepy. We're going to be messing around with this. That is super cool. That is how easy it is. Now, you do have some really neat little features, and you can see here. Yeah, look at this. Oh my goodness. It's kind of hard by yourself. You need somebody else to do it so that you can feel comfortable with it all. Why do you have so many? Oh, look at all that earwax in there.
Is there?
Oh my goodness. Show the people.
Well, look at that part. Oh, I've been feeling like I couldn't hear this ear. Look.
Well, we're going to clean it out. We're going to absolutely clean it out. That is super cool. Super unique. Obviously, follow the directions. See what you got going on. That is super cool. And then once you turn it off, just hold the button. Boom. She's off. It'll disconnect. And there you have it. This is super cool. You guys got to check it out.